Nobody has ever kickflipped the hard rhino, and they never will.
I'm tired already!
Hard rhino in the butt, dude!
No! Sauce.
All right, guys, we're super excited to be here in the Braille House with you today. We got special guest Donovan Strain.
I'm mind blown.
We got Carlos Lastra, Gabe Cruz, and Freddie Potter. And then Uzi Walker, he's standing over there with one shoe.
Aye.
And Chris McNugget and Nigel.
There you go.
Every single person. So this is the Kickflip every single board in the Braille House challenge for cash.
But it's not really every single board, right? It's just
No,
these
because
five?
it's going to be a series, and we're going to do 5 a week.
No. Okay.
There are 5 boards. We have. That's not one.
That's a sword. But this is his board.
Here, this is one of them. This
So-
is the Rip Surf.
This one's super hard to kickflip. This one is literally impossible to kickflip. I'm pretty sure no one is going to be able to do this challenge at all. Then we have this also
This was
extremely
supposed to
hard.
not be here because it was left in LA, but I kept it.
Those are like on the black market bootleg trucks. Like those, they don't even make these.
It's a 50-50 challenge right there.
Last but not least, Doug went fishing and caught this and brought it back to us to skate.
I feel like
Doug would have appreciated that joke.
So give us the rules.
There's not really any rules. You just have to kickflip every single board. We're gonna be timing every single one.
Does it have to be clean?
We're gonna
Don't have to be
Oh, it
clean.
has to be.
You
mean-
kidding me?
There's money on the line. Of course it has to be clean.
Okay, here.
Well, legit. It has to be legit.
Like toe drags, heel drags, I'll allow those. Look
Judge
at
it.
some of the boards we're doing here. I will judge it. It will be fair.
I'll be here for 5 minutes.
So we're gonna have a 5-minute cap for every single person. So if you hit the 5-minute mark, you automatically stop, and that is your fixed time.
Fastest time wins $100.
All right, so Aaron, you can choose to kickflip in whatever order you want. Carlos is gonna go first. He's gonna set the bar, and we'll see if we can compete. So you gotta be very, very wise with this.
That was nuts.
I don't think I can do the rip surf either. Kickflip all 5 of those boards in whatever order you want. If you can't do it in that time, you're disqualified. But get back
Why
here.
am I gonna try this?
There's some in there that are just never. It's impossible.
Yes, you can.
It's impossible. No one has ever kickflipped the hard rhino.
The negativity in here is just unbelievable today. Carlos is first. The time starts on the first pop.
So I got 5 minutes.
You got 5 minutes. There's one. Oh.
I need the strength for it.
You can do that.
Oh man, it's so hard to like apply the pressure and release it. Woo, good luck guys, good luck.
Oh, I would have counted that.
Dude, you have to do the motion. 1 minute per board. I got some time. I know once I get through this.
You got this, Carlos. A little more air time.
I know. Wow. Can we switch it backwards?
Whatever you want.
Oh, should have done that right off the back. Oh no, there's no grip there. I can switch up too if I need to, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good.
Just give it that little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
You gotta roll, that's what sucks.
You don't necessarily have to roll.
No, you have to roll on this, so you can't do it without rolling.
Oh!
No. Does that count? Yeah?
Okay, we'll count it.
Are you serious?
Wow. All right, what was the time? 4 minutes, 7 seconds. I think the 5-minute limit stands. Nigel's gonna go next.
Nobody has ever kickflipped the hard rhino, and they never will. So nobody will finish this video.
All right, Nigel, you ready?
No.
Let's get it. All right, time starts on the first pop.
I didn't pop yet. I didn't pop yet.
That's good. We're being very lenient. Oh, yeah.
That's the best one. Oh god.
Whoa. Chill. Stay on one. Good.
Oh god.
Don't break your ankle.
I just might.
Just jump a little higher.
I'm tired already. How do you kickflip this?
If little Los can do it, you can.
I'm tired. This is the hard one.
Oh, there it is.
It's impossible.
Oh, there it is.
I don't kickflip to begin with. I don't know how to rocket flip. My butt cheek hurts.
It just flipped so fast you couldn't see.
Oh, why did you guys put me in this one? This one, it seems like it should be the easiest out of.
Oh! Oh, now you got it. So you gotta actually pop that, huh?
Yeah. Back to this one. That one's a devil. I don't think you guys understand how draining this is right now.
I do understand. Now you understand why this was my nightmare board.
I have no idea how he did that. I really don't get it. It makes no sense.
Oh!
I want to do at least this one. Ah! Oh, last try, you can do it.
Oh!
No!
That's it. Nigel has been eliminated. All right, Freddie, you're up next.
Yeah.
All right, Freddie, whenever you pop.
That's an ankle biter.
Good. Wow, that's a good one.
There's like no concave on this board.
Good.
Oh dear, we meet again.
It's a rhino, Freddie.
Already tired.
Oh. Good. Good. You land it like that, I'll give it to you. Oh, he's on to something. He's on to something. Good. I'll count it. I'll count it. Time.
3:29? Get out.
It's okay to count the hand touch, right?
I am saying nothing. I am merely a contestant.
I'm like Anakin Skywalker in the pod racers.
You mind if I go next?
You're gonna go?
Yeah. I'm so nervous. What's the key for hard rhino?
Good luck. Maybe backwards and flick like down.
All right, I'm ready.
This is like anything else today. He's doing this in 30 seconds.
Everything first try for you, Donovan.
Bet money on him.
I feel like that's good. That's good. That's good.
He's the Ripstick champion, he is.
Come on! I cheated so bad. The hard rhino one shouldn't have counted. I can't breathe. What the? I wish I could take my clothes off.
I'm going to Vegas. I'm putting all my money I own on Gabe, and I'm gonna be a very rich man.
I need to go put my shoes on real quick. All right, Aaron.
What do you give me if I land every one first try?
You're the boss, so you just get to keep your money.
Dang. Not even a Jamba Juice. Okay, ready?
Yep. Good. Whoa! Whoa!
We meet again. All right, let's go. Think triple flip.
Oh! Ow! Oh! Ow!
The hard rhino, it gets me every time.
Oh! Hard rhino up the butt.
Hard rhino in the butt, dude.
Oh no!
How do you come back from that?
Oh no! Stretch it out. You broke the horn on your butt. It's against all your SMS training.
Dude.
There you go.
If I land this right here, land that, I win.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Oh! Oh!
Almost took the hard rhino where the sun don't shine.
A second time.
Let's go, rhino. Well, you know what they say. It is a hard rhino.
Oh.
I want to focus the hard rhino. Oh, bro. Rip surf. Gosh.
Oh, there it is.
Woo. I'll give it one more go. Woo! Dang. Well, that was fun.
All right, Donovan, it's your time to shine.
Are you kidding me? This is called the Gabe Cruz Challenge. I don't know why anything has a name on this site other than Gabe Cruz Challenge. The game is, you play a game, Gabe wins, and you just have to get as close as you can to Gabe's score. All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh, put a little too much sauce on it. Too much sauce.
Yeah.
Good. Rosemary. Good. That was on purpose, by the way, okay? Don't let anybody tell you different. All right, I liked it. I like the feel. Now this one needs extra sauce. Not like that. Oh. Honestly, I'm only gonna get 2 boards, so I just gotta get this bad boy.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, you know what?
You gotta get in
I was
here.
flicking early. I gotta
you
give it
gotta
like
wait
1
for it.
second.
Oh!
Where am I at? 2 seconds? Great. You know what it is? I skate a 775, all right? This is like 2 boards for me.
Yeah!
Technically, it was like a frontside flip. I went all the way around. Now, this is my size right here.
Oh, there it is.
Just summon my inner Gabe Cruz powers right here.
Oh!
Sauce. R.I.P. this one right here. Not happening.
Oh!
Too early. Gotta get the tail to pop. Man, you should have seen us play Street Fighter last night. I cheated the whole time with E-Honda. Let's go. He was trying to do all this strategy. Just E-Honda that thing. Don't get me started on Mario Kart. He didn't cut any corners. Slipped on all the bananas. Oh. That count? I'm probably out of time now, huh?
Oh, there it is.
Trying to lean back, let it get up.
Woo! Ow!
Trying to make it count because she said 30 seconds. All right, last one. I'm probably out of time. Gotta get one more. Here it is.
Oh, ow! Oh no!
I almost had to go to the dentist.
Oh no!
That's it on time?
That time? Well
Got pretty
done,
far
my
on the
friend.
Gabe Cruz Challenge.
You're up.
I'm scared of this thing. It's intimidating.
It's-
just like skating, it looks like it's gonna hurt.
Yeah. You ready, my friend?
I'm pretending like I am, yes. Let's do it.
This is going amazing.
Your shoes untied. Good. Oh my gosh, your shoes stressing me out. Oh yeah!
The Gabe technique does not work for me.
You see his little jiggle?
How? How is this a thing?
Oh!
One kickflip, $100.
guys are not kidding.
There it is.
Yeah, this is getting me tired. Oh! Ow. Come on. Oh! That's tough.
Wow, you got so much time. Can we just pay attention to the fact he's done this without his shoes tied? Oh!
You land it right here, you win.
Count it.
Oh my god.
Oh boy! Is that it?
That's it.
All right, we have the best contestant for last.
I'm just gonna kickflip all of them first try and get 30 seconds.
That's right. All right, Uzi, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
On the first pop.
Okay.
Going straight to it.
Oh my god. Oh, Uzi. And he's doing all
I'm learning the physics. My time started, but let me just learn the physics real quick. Okay.
He started.
I'm composed. How did I get a hole in my shoe from this? It doesn't have grip tape. Okay, I got it. I don't know, does that count? Okay.
Just gotta learn the physics.
That was the single most amazing thing I've ever seen you do in the history of working here. Can I give you a hug right now? Come here.
I think that's the best thing I've done since being here.
I am so proud of you right now.
It's like,
I
wow.
cannot believe that.
Dude.
Oh my
Did
god.
that.
That was unbelievable.
He's good on weird things.
You kickflipped hard rhino in like 4 tries.
Because I did ollies on it and figured out like how it pops.
All right, well, you are the winner of $100, my
I can't
friend.
even believe it, honestly.
That is, everyone give him a round. That was amazing. Wow.
I don't know what to do now.
He's weirdly good at weird things. Uzi, champion of the world, $100. Check out all the other videos right there. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard, right?
Okay.
So you can do kickflips on boards like these.
So you can do kickflips on boards like those.
This is a hard rhino.